Hey, nó cụ thể của tuần thấy từ muốn chỉ ta là nữa. Từ muốn chỉ ta là sẽ call sẽ ta for the promotion coming up.
These are kind of nice.
Let me see.
These are champion shoes. They're kind of nice, but they look too bland. And I have too many white shoes.
It's pretty.
I have too many white shoes.
Okay, let me turn around. The beautiful Michael Kors. Wow, không có tiêu mình xài. This is very cute. I think I will get this one. Okay, we lots of hello changing room and we lots shoes cho con chờ nữa.
Oh, look at chicken.
It's beautiful. Let me see. That's my girl. No, turn around. Don't go out this one.
I don't know why. I don't like it. It's like springy.
There's another one.
Oh yeah, you look like.
So pretty.
Whoa, this is fun. If I wear this, same one.
Don't go on.
Look, belly.
Yeah,
Show the picture. Okay, don't record me taking a picture of myself. Okay.
The third one.
Last one.
The last one is black. She like black. Let me see.
This part is weird. Like right here. It's kind of too big.
Oh, yeah, her size medium. That's not your size. It's pretty. Yeah, you could wear that to school with your.
Oh, I do not want to wear dresses to school.
Yeah, you can wear like that with your Van or with your Adidas. Converse,
Nikes.
black and white
I'm
Converse.
here for my Jordans.
No, that's nice.
Smile while you're in my picture.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Oh yeah, next is going to be a whole outfit. But after that, I'm going to go.
Okay.
Dress coded.
That's the whole outfit.
I'm gonna get dress coded for this.
Oh, look, you high taller. But the sweater is good. The sweater is cute. Yeah, the sweater don't go good. Turn
Are
around.
these with Vans?
Yeah, let me see that
This is
side.
my butt look weird.
See, shake it, shake it. Oh,
But this is the butt.
wow.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a big. Oh, it's a brand. Okay, mom's turn.
Oh, we're going. Oh, page story.
Oh, I was just like,
Yeah, my turn.
let's take it all off.
Okay.
Mom's first jean.
It's 19. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Don't go.
I think it's nice.
Oh, if I don't like this, I can take it. So
Yeah.
I can do myself.
So that's how it looks like.
It's so comfortable.
And she has those jeans I already tried. And she has that. Just to try. High waisted. It looks nice.
Very nice. Very stretchy. Would that be fabric though? Okay. It's not tight, right?
You can't look at my mom's butt. It's really cute.
Okay, maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe. This one's maybe.
Okay, so this is maybe. Next.
Wow.
Yes, mom pose.
Okay, so right now we have to look at our venue, and then my daughter wanna try shoes. No, it's cute. Very beautiful. Let me see. Yeah.
I like these better. The checkered ones, huh?
I like the checkered. Oh, actually, I like both.
I know.
You can ask. Now she got her band. What are you looking at?
That's cool.
Huh?
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay. Đó là mò nhớ tới chè mì trà đó. Mà sai lúc đó là té nó không? Là té nó không có chợ trong câu. Oh, that blue in the trong câu cái này. That one's pretty too. But that one's too open.
Oh, no.
No, not that one. So all this dress kelly chinya je to u da ha mu yo dai sim lu ta u shi shi da dan de rong ko chao. Cái mò xíu.
Where are we going? So we're going to go to the food court. Why is pink closed? Why is pink closed? Pink and Charlotte Russe is closed. So what I'm talking about is that they're closed. So Pink is closed. This is happening. What's happening? It says please visit our temporary store located rent store during our remodel. Oh look, Pink is right there. They're getting remodeled. Oh. So, oh no. That's what we're talking about, Pink. Then, there's clothes down there. Here's some shoes. I can eat anything. I just can't eat soap. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
You don't want it?
No, you can eat one.
Yeah, có siêu nhỏ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Taco Bell. I want Taco Bell. Yeah.
So that's what she got.
Mm-hmm.
It's the only one, right? Yeah, that's it.
$7.57. Any drink?
No, we're good.
Two drinks. Did they give you a napkin? And now, my whitewashed self is going to get Taco Bell. Oh, that's a long one. Okay, should I stop it for a bit?
Yeah.
So we're here, and
She's ordering her food. Okay. Nó ở nền xài đông ta la ở xì để ứ dụ nó nữa. Còn nó ứ dụ thì ruby Thai. This is from Ruby Thai and what I get? I get some eggplant. Ooh.
my mom's vlog. So today I got Taco Bell because I'm Mexican. And they didn't call my name yet. So yeah. Ew, my hair. Mom, you didn't tell me my hair was flaky. My hair look ugly. Anyway, no, they're just gonna call my name.
Oh, they put your name?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
She scared me. We're at the mall. Say hi. Nhớ xong nữa. 다시 너 빼요 뭐? 다시 너 빼요 뭐? And she got food. She got Asian food because Asian persuasion. I know.
She got her food.
So you know, yeah, mukbang. Okay.
Taco Bell.
Let's show you one.
And show mine. That's mine. Where is mine? Lino, cũng là more Asian. This is what I got. And what did you get? Right here. This is my
I
fork.
got a taco, and a burrito.
Burrito. Okay.
You want to eat the taco?
No, I'm good. I eat my Asian food.
Thanks for food, mama. You want my taco?
No? You want my Chinese food?
Okay.
Mấy cái onion á.
Đỏ đến nhau của anh nhìn.
So they had a knife to cut this in half.
Okay.
Ayun, kutsala na.
No.
Hindi, kutsala. Kutsalo. That's a burrito. I'll do it when I eat. Show them that you're a burrito.
Burrito. Oh shoot. I didn't burp. So
And here's the zucchini.
zucchini is slaps.
Okay.
You want some sauce?
Yeah.
Sauce.
So we're not hot taco nana. Hot taco nó mua cá, mua tàu, mua tomato. Yeah, more lettuce, and more cheese, more sauce. Cho tao hỏi nó nữa. Đừng qua đó cho khét tao.
Is it good?
Hả chứ? But not. It's
I have braces. Blueberry. That's her food right there, and then she's eating the taco.
Yeah, you eat it. Come on, no, cái chân nâu trên ta nữa.
Do you want me to record until you finish? Okay.
Cái chủ nâu của ta, cái chân nâu là cái chân vào.
Oh. This is the other food. It's a close-up. ASMR. Cacao mà. Is it good?
Cá cơ. Còn nó cá thì sẽ còn nó lại nó sẽ còn nó chút chút.
추적감이요. So this is how it looks like.
Tao. Để lúc mà nó cứ kêu để tiền nó không có cơ. Lúc mà sáng nó không xài.
While walking, we came across this, and it's a bunny photo shoot with a bunny. And now,
It's for Easter.
yeah, so this is for Easter. Where's the bunny at? Is the bunny right there? So this is a store with jewelry and everything. Showing off? I have a little purse.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
How are you? Butterflies.
It's okay.
나야.
I'm sitting down because I'm really tired. And we came back down to get a shirt for her. So here's the gas station. Neon? Mom, neon. Or do you want to wear a full-on suit? Look. Right there. The suit right there. Right there. Oh yeah, right here too. No. It's over there. Oh, wait, let's look. Basically shirts. It's not these over here. It's the ones all the way right there. Wow. No present. Oh, I don't have school tomorrow. I just noticed that. My mom's favorite store. Sprung. She sprung.
Yeah, you guys have spring break, right?
Yes. Not scared of me. Oh, it is.
right? Oh, look over there.
Yeah.
Over my pants. Để cả cái dùng gì cho nó ngay không có cái
40% off.
This is pretty.
Ooh, the sliding is everything. Ooh, she's feeling. Huh? So basically, people try to knock on. Doing the by beep beep. My moog is so awesome, Mom. Like, it's dead astronaut. Oh, red piano.
Right? Nice, right?
They got jeans here too. I never knew that.
Chị hôm nay ưu chi vào đó chị không nói. Rồi tôi im không nói.
Go look at the jeans. 16.
Cannot say that. I have to get this one.
Why?
This is my light green.
I still don't know what to wear with my new shoes. Yes. Basically, this is. Oh yeah, you can wear it like that. Basically. Whoa, that's big. I have a week to find what shirts and stuff I'm gonna wear with for my yeah. And I'm stuck. So
This is a beautiful dress too. We should come here the other day.
what day? Oh, for your event thingy.
Yeah.
Mommy, this looks so tall. Yes, Ma, I know you like that color. Woo!
Ok, cho nên là say nó ở một trẻ à. Chúng ta đã một trẻ sinh nhật thì vui rồi, cho nên là té vậy phải trẻ nữa.
Thank you for watching and coming on this adventure with me and Mom. And
So we really like the light blue dress, so we gotta go buy it.
yeah. Okay. Bye.